Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is a big day. Today we have NFP, non-firm payroll. So my dear friends, please be careful during the news after the event because market will show extreme volatility. Beginners, new traders, try to close down all your US dollar position, not only gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, all US dollar positions before the news because market will show extreme volatility. Observe the market, gain some experience, but do not try to trade during the event because market will be crazy. But if you're an experienced trader, then you can ride along because beginners, those who do not have much knowledge about proper risk management, they lose their capital. And during extreme volatility, there is also a problem of slippage where our stop losses do not work. Probably you have faced the problem also. For example, during last FOMC, just 2 days ago, when gold was crazy, gold made a high of around 2080. Okay, but you can see on my chart that my chart is showing that gold made a high of 2066. If I take you to another chart, for example, Paperstone, you can see here on the chart of Paperstone, you will see that gold has made a high of almost 2070. And if I take you to the chart of Saxo, then you can see that here gold has made a high of 2080. If I take you to the chart of Skinning, then you can see here gold has made a high of 2070. Not only the numbers are different, but you can also see that the candles are different also. So my dear friend, Forex is a decentralized market. Okay, there is no central exchange that regulates the price. Forex market runs on supply and demand. So as a result, during extreme volatility, the numbers may vary. So that's why I always request all of you that you should avoid extreme volatile markets. Because in extreme volatility, there is a problem of slippage, then the numbers vary from charts to charts, so it's better to avoid the market if you're new to the market. Okay, anyways, let's talk about the charts. So first of all, DXY, US dollar currency index. So DXY right now standing at 101.27. So DXY is still trying its best to maintain its level, its position above the critical support of 100.80. So today this will be very important. Today we will have to observe whether DXY succeeds in maintaining its position above 100.80 or not. As I have already said earlier, that if DXY breaks this level, then it will be heading towards 100 or double digit. Things will be very critical for DXY, but still DXY is trying its best. Now it will depend on news because it's a fundamental factor, and NFP is a big event. News like NFP have the potential to change the direction of the market. Okay, so after NFP, there may be a trend reversal also. It totally depends on the news. Now nobody can predict the market. Okay, so just wait and watch. Non-firm employment change and the unemployment rate both will matter. Okay. After the news, not only look at the forecast and the previous, okay, also look at the unemployment rate, which is 3.6% is the forecast and the previous was 3.5%. If both are positive enough, if you see that there is a big difference between the forecast and the previous data and the news is positive, then you will see a positive DXY and gold will start falling. In case you will see that the forecast, okay, let's say forecast is 181k and the number is around 150k, then obviously you will see DXY falling. Okay, so news trading is kind of critical because sometimes market also digests the news. So beginners, observe the market, gain some experience, because I strongly believe that to master news trading you need to have years and years of experience. And when it comes to news trading, I still consider myself as a beginner. Now let's talk about the levels. So first of all, my dear friends, the best level, the best support on the chart is around 2006 to 2007. This is the best support on the chart of gold USD. Then we have another good support around 2020 to 2017. So these two levels have not changed at all. These two are the strongest support on the chart of gold. In case there is a big drop, you can expect the market to take support around this area, especially before the news. After news, when fundamentals dominate the market, usually technicals fail. And that's a harsh reality, my dear friend, you need to accept. So if market starts falling, gold starts falling, do not try to look for support. Try to trade along with the trend of the market. Because when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. And that's a bitter reality, you need to accept it. Okay, so in case market starts falling and there's a big fall, then try to ride along, try to look for sell position only. But before news, if you see the market is falling, then you can look for some support around 2006 2007 and 2020-2007. These two are good support levels where buyers are present, and definitely they will try to provide some support. They will try to lift the market up. And after news, if there is not much volatility, and if you see that market is falling normally, okay, the selling price is not too high, then you can expect the market to take support around these areas. So it all depends on the volatility of the market. You have heard me saying before also that volatility of the market plays a big role. And if you have experience, okay, of at least 1 year, then probably you have also noticed that volatility really dominates the market. So these two are the best support zone before the news. After news, if the volatility is normal, then you can expect the market to take support around these areas. And yesterday we had another level of 2030 where we were expecting the market to bounce, and we got a great bounce. We got a nice bounce up from 2030, but today the 2030 may not work because it has expired. Okay, it has done the job. So in case during the day, if you see that market is not very volatile, market is kind of silent, then you can expect 2030 to work. But if the market is volatile, it will not work, and after news, it will not work. Okay, so today 2030 is a weak support. These two are good support. 2030 is a weak support. It will only work if the volatility of the market is low, and that too before news. Okay. And then you can see that I have also marked a line around 2043. During the day, if market breaks 2043 level, okay, there is a possibility of a little downside. So if you are a risk taker, if you want to take some risk, then you can also look for some selling opportunity below 2043 level as well. At least 30, 35, 40 pips. I think the market should at least come down to 2040 level if it breaks 2043. Okay, so it all depends on the market situation and volatility. And today I will not be talking about any resistance level because overall the market sentiment is extremely bullish. So as a result, it is better to take buy position at retracement according to my analysis. Yes, if you see that market is reversing, from the previous high, it can be 2080, 2079 on your chart. And if you see strong price rejection from the previous high of 2080, 2007 and whatever it is showing on the chart, you can take a sell position there as well. But again, I'm saying if market comes down, then yes, taking a buy at retracement is the best strategy. So my dear friends, the best support is around 2006 to 2007. But this support is quite far away, and as we all know today, NFP is there. NFP is a big event. It will bring lots of volatility to the market, and when fundamentals dominate, technicals usually fail. So still we have 2006, 07. It should work before news, but after news I cannot guarantee. Then we have another support around 2020 to 2017, which is also good support. It should work before news in case market starts falling. Yesterday, we saw a good bounce from the level of 2030 we talked about. Today, it is a weak support. It may not work in case of volatility. After news, it will not work. But before news, okay, before news, if the volatility is low, you can expect a bounce. And today, if market breaks 2043, we can look for a risky sell position. If you see market is breaking 2043 with a big red candle, the size of the candle will matter, and you can look for target of 2040, 2039. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the market. My dear friend, keep in mind volatility will play a big role. So that's all from my side. Please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.